Hi channel, welcome back to my guys. Welcome to the crazy world with the crazy Shetty. My name is Dakshisha and I make content on skincare, beauty, lifestyle and all that my heart desires at the moment. In case you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a video. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all some of the latest launches on Nykaa and also some of the classics and must-haves. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so last month I visited the Nykaa store here in Mangalore for the very first time. Before this, I'd never ever visited a Nykaa store ever. So anytime that I would purchase any product, it would be from the Nykaa's app, Nykaa.com, and this was the first ever visit to the store. The experience was great. I had a few products in my mind, like exactly what I needed to buy, and in case if you do not have a clear list of what you want to exactly buy, you might just get lost in the paradise of beauty. So I did have a definite requirement of what exactly products I needed and what I wanted to buy for myself, and I was clear on what my requirements were so that you don't get confused with your choices. First of all, I'll just introduce you all and show you all the products that I got from the store, and in the end I'll talk you about the experience of buying makeup or the beauty products during this pandemic, especially because the store follows a certain guideline. So we'll talk about all of that in a while. So before any further ado, let's get started with the first product. We have two of the classics, that is Nykaa's Matte to Last liquid lipsticks. Now these lipsticks are classics. They are nudes. I'll just show you how they look like, the swatches. These lipsticks from the Nykaa's Matte to Last liquid lipsticks are inspired from the rich heritage culture of our country, and they symbolize different cities. So this first shade is Chai, and the next shade that I have is Madras Kapi. The color is very beautiful. They are extremely matte formula. They don't dry your lips, but they also do not transfer, and it's lightweight and it is enriched with vitamin E, and no, it does not transfer whatsoever. It is a really nice product, and it stays on for really long. Now I have done my makeup. I've been sitting with the makeups in the past 2 hours now, and this lipstick is just so yum, in the sense it doesn't move, it doesn't smudge, and it doesn't dry your lips or doesn't make your lips give that cakey effect, you know, it doesn't like chip off of your lips. So that's great. So we have two of these lipsticks, Chai and Madras Kapi. Now these are best nudes for all skin tones actually, but also people with a little bit of a darker skin tone like mine, medium to dusky skin tone, can also wear this really well. It doesn't look very off, or it doesn't wash off your skin. It looks really very hot and sultry. Okay, so the next product is nothing but our BB cream. This is Nykaa's BB cream. This is the Skin Genius all-in-one BB cream. Now I am in the shade 04 Spiced Cinnamon. It looks, the packaging looks like this. It's very nice, very sleek, and I've just worn this on my face, and I've just topped it up with some loose powder, and it is really very nice. It gives you it's a skin like finish, just a better looking skin of your own self. It just comes with a little tint, that's it. Okay, now this BB cream is packed with SPF 30. It boosts your luminosity, which means that it gives you a nice shine to your face. It fights aging and also corrects uneven skin tone and hydrates and repairs your skin. It just works wonders on your face. Also, it is free from SLS, paraben, and also it is cruelty free. So this is the second product that we have. This is the Nykaa's Skin Genius BB cream, must have. especially in the summers. It just doesn't load your skin, it doesn't feel heavy on your skin, and doesn't leave cakey patches on your skin. So it works really best for summers especially. Now the next product that we have is this K by Katrina's HD Setting Loose Powder. I'm in the shade Toffee 06. Okay, now the packaging is very beautiful. It mentions all of its specifications right here. It is enriched with avocado and mango butter, and it is very lightweight. It gives you a matte finish. It removes all the excess shine from your face. It is very thin and very finely milled powder, and it is not those big powder particles that will not get blended into your skin. Now today I have used this with some of Maybelline foundation, and then I have topped it up with this loose powder. Now this loose powder comes in a tint. Okay, if you see, this is a tinted powder, and this HD loose settings powder comes in 8 shades. It minimizes your shine, it makes your makeup last longer. It comes, as I said, it comes in 8 shades, which suits all Indian skin tones and undertones. It blends very well, it is super lightweight, you can build it up, and it doesn't leave any patches on your skin. You can just match your skin tone and buy it for yourself. Okay, so the next product that we have from K Beauty is very beautiful and the latest launch, which is K Beauty's eyeshadow palette. It is very pretty. Today I have used the same eyeshadow palette, and I'll just open and show it to you all. It comes in a very nice packaging inside. Okay, this is its individual packaging, by the way, and as soon as you open it, it opens like this. Then you have this cover right here, and then as soon as you open, you have pretty shades. This is K Beauty's eyeshadow palette in the shade Bare Soul. It is a 9-in-1 palette, and it has all mattes as well as shimmers that you can see, right? There is like zero to no fallout from this product, like almost no, almost no. And then the color is just breathtaking. Can you see the colors? The colors are just breathtaking, very pretty, and it is highly pigmented. It suits all skin tones, even if you are a fair skin tone, a medium skin tone, or a dusky skin tone. Particles of the eyeshadow are very silky, very smooth, and very fine, because when I used it also, because it is very smooth and very nicely milled, it doesn't give you any fallout because it's a very tiny particle. So it gets blended really well. It's blendable, it is buildable, it gives you it gives you a beautiful finish, highly pigmented, no fallout whatsoever, and very lightweight. It is comfortable for all day wear. Now that I'm wearing this, I don't feel like I have anything on my eyes. It is very it is very skin like, but with the shimmers and beautiful colors on my face. Best part about this is a nude and a smoky palette. You can use it for many occasions because it is multi-talented. Multi-talented hai ye product. Can you see? You have shimmer, you have a black color which is perfect to create a smoky look, browns and all the nude tones, so it is just perfect. The special ingredients in this palette are macadamia nut oil and aloe vera oil, so it is really very skin friendly, and as I told you, it's a great product. In fact, if you are looking out to buy an eyeshadow palette, I think that you should invest in this one. I think there's nothing better than this. The last 2 products that we have are the K Beauty's lipsticks. So it is enriched with chamomile and marula oil. It's very pretty. These are in 2 shades. One is Publicity and one is Chart Buster. This is a perfect red color. It's very pretty, and this color, oh my god, this is so pretty. It's a perfect nude brown shade, and it is so pretty. Can you see this? Like, it's very pretty. Can you see this? It's so pretty, just very pretty. and this is a perfect red color, and it will suit on all skin tones. It is very great, and if you are a dusky or a medium skin tone, then you should have this product because it is really very beautiful. The packaging is nice, it is so soft, it just glides like butter on your skin. Also, K-beauty products do not have any kind of parabens or sulfates. It is not tested on animals, it is cruelty free, and it is vegan. Okay, so that's all about all the products that we got from the store. As I said, I was very sure about the eyeshadow palette from K-beauty in the shade Bare Soul, but the best thing was because I visited the store, I asked the guy to show all the 4 palettes, and I compared all the shades as to what will suit my requirements and my skin tone as well. Almost all the palettes suit all the skin tones because I think that it is made keeping in mind all the Indian skin tones and the undertones, and when I compared all of them, I just became more surer about this palette, Bare Soul. When you visit a store, it is obviously a question that how will you swatch the products and how will you try for yourself as to how the products are performing on you, if they are matching your skin tone, especially for products like a powder or BB cream or any foundation or a concealer, for that matter, any face product. You need to try it out on yourself, and that is when you buy it. Especially when you visit a store, I think that is the need of visiting a store, that is to try out a product and then buying it. So the thing is that whenever you are trying a product, they give you a cotton swab. You can use only one swipe of it, you can test it out, and you can use the back side of it. You can't use the same cotton swab on the products. So that is how I tried and managed to. It was very difficult, actually, to be very honest. It is very difficult to try it out with a cotton swab because the product you're not very sure, and also you are not allowed to remove your masks. So it was very difficult for you to try out and for me to try out, especially the product. Otherwise, I feel like I tried my best to use my judgments and buy whatever best suited my skin tone. K-beauty पे कुछ offer चल रहा था, if you buy for so and so you'll get a lipstick free, and that's when I got this lipstick for free, and I purchased all of the remaining 3 K-beauty products. Overall, it was a great experience, and it was the first time that I ever visited the store. Also, let me give you a small hint that there's a huge Nykaa haul coming up your way. Okay, there's a huge Nykaa haul coming your way, and you need to get excited. And oh my god, the products that I've ordered, the variety of it, and they're just great. I visited the store, I think, in the month of March or April, I'm not sure. And I got all of these. So yeah, overall the experience was great. I really love all the products. There is not even this one single product which did not perform well, because you can see it really on my face. Just that it is very hot here in Mangalore, and it is very difficult to film without fan. That to fan बहुत slow speed पे चला है मैंने, बहुत गर्मी है. Okay, otherwise I think that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you got a lot of information about these new launches and also the classics, or like must-haves. Like a BB cream is a must-have, especially in these summers, and for the price that you pay. And oh my god, right now in the summer super saver days, this was available for just 50% off at just rupees 175 rupees. You won't believe that. Also, one more thing, K-beauty's eyeshadow palette, I got it from the store for 1200 rupees, but right now in the summer super saver days it was available for 900 rupees. Now they have changed their offers. Now I think they have like a 15% off, 10% off. You can still go and check them out. So yeah, this video is just like a reminder for you all to buy your essentials if you feel like buying them. There is no hard and fast rule. You can at least go check them out. If you like any product and if there is something that you want to really stock up on, you can buy it, or else no. You can just add it into your cart and buy it whenever you feel the necessity for it, or if the restrictions near your area is a little better, so that is when you can order it. There is no hard and fast rule. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you watched it till here, then तो like करना बनता ही है. Subscribe to my channel, click on the bell notification उसके बाजू में ही, so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'll be really happy if each and every one of you who are watching my video would subscribe to my channel. We are growing slowly and steadily, and we will soon become a very big family. Welcome to the crazy fam. Okay, bye guys, see you soon. Bye, subscribe.
ये वाला लाइट एक बार ऑफ करके